Hello everyone, it's Dr. Dave. Hopefully you're all doing well. You had a nice, wonderful July weekend. Looking forward to your week today, starting with your Monday. Hope it's a good one. Coming at you on behalf of the Toronto Neck and Back Pain Clinic with your daily health update. It is Monday, July 19th. 2021. Going to look at 6 areas of health and wellness news and information from the latest and greatest in the research and literature. Somewhere around this video, you can read through all 6 areas. If you'd like a copy or you have questions, you can DM us on social, send us an email, or give us a call here at the clinic. We'd be happy to help you out. Not going to treat, diagnose, prevent, or cure any illness or disease with our time together today. However, you just never know what you might learn and what you might end up doing when you get inspired by what's going on out in the world of health and wellness. So we're happy to bring that to you every single day. The Journal of the American Heart Association, June 2021, talks about risks with heart disease patients, and that even though they have those risks, they might keep smoking. Among more than 2,600 adults with a history of heart attack or stroke, researchers found that 30% were smokers, and only a third of that group had stopped smoking over the following 4 years, despite the majority knowing that smoking increases their risk for future cardiovascular events. Smoking is, of course, a modifiable risk factor, meaning we can change it, and it's a good idea to do so if you've already had a cardiovascular event, but certainly overall lifestyle, as we most know, but hopefully the research and literature will inspire someone to make that change today. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, May 2021, looked at backyard poultry safety tips. Raising chickens in the backyard is becoming more popular in recent years, but close proximity to fowl can also come with a risk for salmonella exposure. The Centers for Disease Control offers the following tips for households raising chickens. Always wash your hands for 20 seconds. Keep flock and flock supplies outside of the house. Don't let children under the age of 5 years have contact with the birds, and don't apparently kiss the birds. All right, so that from the CDC. The Cerebral Cortex Report, May 2021, looks at high-intensity interval training and how it could improve spatial memory. High-intensity interval training is a form of exercise that involves short intervals of near maximal effort, such as sprinting or stair climbing, separated by intervals of moderate intensity exercises such as jogging or fast walking. A recent study found that HIIT may also improve spatial memory to a greater degree than either endurance training or inactivity. So good for our fitness, good for our heart and lungs, but again, the exercise has an impact on many other systems in the body, including our central nervous system and our cognitive function. So keep that activity going. The Age and Aging Report, June 2021, looked at life satisfaction and how it's linked to the reduced risk of pain and disability. Researchers assessed life satisfaction in over 2,000 functionally independent older adults and found that those who rated their life satisfaction as high were significantly less likely to develop disability over the following decade. The research team supposes that individuals with high life satisfaction may be more likely to engage in lifestyle behaviors associated with a reduced risk for chronic disease and painful conditions. That positive outlook is always helpful, all right? Every day is a good day, and we try to make it that way, even when there's challenges. The Journal of the American Medical Association Oncology, May 2021, looked at colonoscopy, and on a previous daily health update, we looked at the changing the recommendations for earlier screening, I believe from 45 to age 40, and now they're wondering if after the age of 75 it should be increased. Current guidelines don't recommend colonoscopy after the age of 75, except for patients considered to be high risk for colorectal cancer. However, an analysis of data on colon cancer cases and deaths from over 56,000 patients found that people who had colon cancer screening after the age of 75 were 39% at lower risk for colon cancer and 40% lower risk of death from colon cancer. Regardless of whether they had been screened at an earlier age, the findings suggest that colonoscopy guidelines may need amending. Of course, for your particular situation and case, you'd want to talk to your healthcare provider and see if such a screening is indicated. Might be a good proactive early detection kind of thing to do. And finally, from the journal Pain, April 2021, they say about 20% or 1 in 5 adults have chronic pain. Using data from the National Health Interview Survey, researchers estimate that 20.5% of Americans experience activity limited pain daily or on most days, most often the back, hip, knee, or foot. Of course, managing chronic pain is a challenge, but there are many paramedical providers along with your medical doctors that can help try to improve functionality in the body to help negate, if not minimize, if not be able to better manage so you can stay functional some of that chronic pain. All right, so get out there and keep finding some solutions to better help you each day create those great experiences that you're looking to have. And today for your Monday to start your week, I hope you have a great experience. Keep looking for it. It's out there. I'm sure something fun or neat will happen today, and maybe you can make that happen for somebody else as well. That's what makes the world go round. We'll be back tomorrow, Tuesday. Keep your week going with some good health and wellness information. We hope you join us then. Otherwise, enjoy your day. Take care. Be well. We'll talk soon.